Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrew and thanks for joining me today. We're going to make today, again, we're on day 2 of Doily Day. So we're going to be using a doily again, and we're going to make a card again using scraps. Now the scraps, I'm just going to run you through what scraps I've actually used here. I'll just zoom out a little bit because we're a bit tight on the picture. This is retired from last year. This is the what used to be like the colour stacks with the script on. This is a bit chip of, yeah, this is chocolate chip. And then this DSP is actually the smoky, the basic grey. It looks black. And this DSP, this little bit that I've used here, is from autumn winter, I think. I found some bits of this, so I matched them with this. Now I don't think that this isn't the same brown. I think the base colour is I think the base colour is chocolate chip, and I think that the colour in this is early espresso, to be honest, and that's early espresso. So, or maybe it's the other way around, who knows and who actually cares, because the idea of this is just to show you, you can use any old scraps. So this is a 4x6 piece, and then I've got this, which is 3.5 by 3 3/4, which is going to go here. In fact, I'm going to stick it on now because there's no need to wait. And there it goes. Leave a little bit of a gap around, and then this piece of whatever it is just over, this is 3 7/8. That was 3 7/8. 3 7/8 by 2.5 inches. So I'm just going to stick that on top. And it, like I say, these were just scraps I had in my box, and I thought, maybe I can make something out of those. So I'm just going to pop that on to line up with the top. And then I thought, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another piece that I just cut and cut a little notch out the bottoms. This is 1.5 inches by 4.25 inches. And then I took some Whisper White, which is 1.5. This is 1.25 by 3 6/8, and they're just going to go on top of each other like so, to make like a little feature. I suppose this is more like a card sketch. I didn't follow one to make it. And then I've got a little piece of that, and I've got that, and I've stamped thank you on there, and that thank you is from the Background Bits stamp set, which is current, and I've used early espresso to stamp that. And then what I thought I'd do is I've got 1 3/4 inch circle to just give a bit of strength to my doily, and I'm going to stick that, I'm going to stick this there, and then I'm going to stick that on top of that, and then I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to stick, which is, this is 1 3/4, this is 1 1/4 inch circle punch. and then I'm going to just stick that over the top as a thank you. So that's how it's all going to layer together. So just going to pop this on. A really simple thank you card made using scraps, and just this one's just about building up. Well, we've used the doily most importantly because that was what I needed to set out to do, and this is just about building up sort of layers and a little bit of texture and just using up bits and bobs. These were just scraps that I used the envelope punch board just to round off. It's probably 1 1/4 and a 1-inch strip, but that's a really nice thank you card. I think you can see that. Hope you can see that. Yeah, so let me just zoom in a little bit, just in case you can't, because it's quite bright. That's a nice card. Without the doily, it'd be a nice masculine card, that, I think. So that's just another idea for a card sketch, really, using up some scraps, and if I can find out what this is, I'll put it in the description, but or I'll put it on my blog post, but I can't remember for the life of me where I got it from. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon. We've got our last doily project tomorrow. I'm going to do one with just pieces of doily, so pieces of doily that were left over from making the dress, if you didn't see the project yesterday. So tomorrow I'll use little offcuts from that. Okay, and that's a real scrap project because it's a tiny little project and everything I use is scrap. Okay, so join me for that tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.